We often think that you can have either quality or quantity, but not usually both. But who said you couldn't have your cake and eat it too? Many luxury cars include swanky interiors, premium furnishings, and extensive passenger and cargo capacity. There are plenty of three-row alternatives on the market for luxury buyers with a family or those who prefer to drive all their buddies out to dinner. However, several of these SUVs stand out for their overall luxury credentials and high-end features. So, buckle in for a ride of the 5 most luxurious SUVs that won't compromise on style, performance, or comfort, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's start with number 5. Mercedes-Benz GLB. The Mercedes-Benz GLB may be small, but it lacks none of the amenities found in bigger models. The GLB boasts a boxy appearance that quickly identifies it as part of the Mercedes-Benz lineup. This best compact SUV of 2023 strikes a good balance of high-tech and comfortable features. Heated seats, auto-dimming mirrors, keyless entry, multimedia displays, and blind spot monitoring are all standard features on the GLB. Number 4. Audi Q8 e-tron. Audi's diverse portfolio of luxurious SUVs combines stunning elegance with a thrilling driving experience. There is no need for the manufacturer to discontinue the current models while it introduces new electric platforms to the market. Why reinvent the wheel if it's already rolling? The Audi Q8 e-tron will combine the popular Q8's design with a superior electric powertrain. The new model will be available in standard and sportback trim levels, as well as 3 trim levels of each, including a basic Q850, a mid-range Q855, and a high-performance SQ8. Number 3. Range Rover Plug-in Hybrid. The Range Rover had a facelift last year, adding several new features that enhance its efficiency and attractiveness while maintaining the brand's traditional appearance. Smartphone projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is standard, as are additional wireless options and a new electronic rear differential. This is a luxurious SUV for individuals who want to personalize their car with lavish interiors and exteriors, as well as elegant hues. It's a work of art, the sleekest release yet, with high speeds to match. Number 2. Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus is a smooth and luxurious expression of what the brand's classic and beautiful SUVs may reach with a few more years of development. With its turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, luxurious interior, and wheels that appear to glide easily on the road, the 2023 model indeed shows off in terms of performance as well as good looks. Number 1. Porsche Cayenne Turbo S. BMW was the first automaker to go all in on the luxury SUV craze, launching the amazingly successful BMW X5 in response. The Porsche Cayenne also has a special place in the history of luxury SUVs. Porsche's first SUV's instant success completely energized the luxury SUV industry. With a strong hybrid engine that provides a smooth, powerful ride, the most recent version embraces the latest and finest in the car business. SUVs are as popular as ever, and manufacturers are releasing new models at an astonishing pace. Some thought SUVs were a passing craze, but with the arrival of more high-performance models, more fuel-efficient alternatives, and more off-roading possibilities, it's obvious that SUVs are here to stay. The market for ultra-luxurious SUVs is rapidly rising, and automakers are competing to outdo one another. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to smash the bell icon so you don't miss luxury updates.